अस्सलाम वालेकुम, स्कॉटिश देसी असमत हियर एक बार फिर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है. Hi, Scottish Desi Asmat. Hope you're all well and in good health. Today I'm going to make a very simple chicken pakora. This will be made from a chicken breast which I'll cut, add some spices and fry in oil. So let's get started. So first I'm going to slice the chicken up into slices. And I'm now going to add the gram flour. So into the gram flour, first of all, I'm going to add the milk. So it's just a little amount of milk I'm going to add into here. And some water. I am going to add a little bit of salt. I'll add some red chilli, a spoon of red chilli. I'm going to add also a spoon of this, make it nice and spicy, a spoon of this kashmiri red mirch as well. A little bit of haldi, just a little bit, just a touch. And some coarse garam masala. A little bit of zeera, why not? Lastly, I'm going to add some ajwain. This is also always very good to add. I'm going to crush this, just coating the surface, crushing it into the mix. And now I can add the chicken in, and I'm just going to add all the chicken. It's already been washed and cleaned, so I'll add all this in, and then we're ready to fry. Just get that nice and coated up. chicken pakora. I am going to go and enjoy these with the family and children now. Stay safe, be happy. I will see you again with another video very soon. Allah Hafiz.